Hey guys, this is Maria from freesocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use TikTok beauty mode. Due to the reason that there are lots of different TikTok filters and effects that can help users to look more attractive, usually users forget about the beauty mode. It is a feature that users may apply as well as any other filter in order to slightly smooth their skin. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can use it. Click on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap the beauty icon on the right. Once the beauty mode is turned on, hit the button to start recording a video. Now it's time to edit your video. So add a sound. Apply an effect or filter. Also, you can write a text or insert a sticker. When you're happy with your video, press on the next button. Now the only thing left to do is to post your video. Don't forget to write a description and add hashtags or even mention your friend. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use TikTok beauty mode. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freesocial.com.